Do you have a curly or wavy piece that looked amazing the second you took her outside of the box, but after a few wears, those curls and waves droop just a little bit? For example, this part in the front, you can see it still has a little bit of wave to it, but it's kind of getting closer to the straight side versus a wave. Today we are using steam to add some curls and waves back into those pieces to make them look a little bit closer to brand new. Ready? Let's go.
I'm using Jon Renau's steamer for this project. It's a substantial piece, and I like the fact that unlike some cheaper models out there, you don't have to use distilled water. I also think the spout of this is amazing. It's very small, therefore you can concentrate the steam exactly where you need it. We're going to make sure that we're winding the hair around the roller in the direction that the curl currently goes in. It's really important. Just use a T-pin to pin your foam roller to your canvas head, and we're ready to rock and roll. Rolling the hair itself is not hard to do. You're just again going to go in the direction that it's already trained in and wrap the hair completely around the roller. When we get to the ends, we're going to use our T-pins again to help secure the hair to the foam roller. I like to use one or two towards the ends, one as we get kind of close to secure the bulk of the hair. And another one with a piece of either paper towel like I have here, or you can use a perm paper to help the very end of the hair lay flat. Continue pinning foam rollers to the canvas head and rolling your hair around it to create a curl. If your hair is very long, you might feel like you're winding the hair too tight and the curl is going to be too much of a curlicue, but don't worry, we have a remedy for that later. Next, we're going to use our steamer. It only takes 2 or 3 minutes to warm up, so before you know it, it's ready to go. Make sure you direct the steam at the hair, avoid your fingers because it's very hot, and get it from the left side, the right side, and underneath the best that you can. You can use your fingers or a comb to smooth the curl over the foam roller as well, and do it on as many rollers as you have hair. I know it's hard waiting, but let the curl set for 12 to 24 hours.
All right, so we are back. It's day 2. I've let the curls sit for just really under 24 hours. So remember, you want that curl to sit for 12 to 24 hours because it needs to completely cool, it needs to completely dry, and letting it just kind of sit for a bit lets it set. So the curl is going to last a little bit longer. So I took one out, and you can see how it looks. See how it totally springed right back. Okay, so what do you see that's obvious? It's much more curly than the rest of the hair. So what I'm going to do is take this one out, carefully avoiding the pins. This is kind of a dangerous job, and show you how to lessen the strength of this curl so that it more closely matches the beach waves that we're going for.
All right, I decided to leave that in after all because I want to show you the side by side between the beach curl and the little bit more curlicue when we're done. So what I'm going to do is hold the beach curl down just a little bit, stretching out the curl and applying some steam. And again, we're going to let that sit for at least a few hours.
All right, guys, so here is the finished result. Both of these have been curled with a foam roller. This one is fresh off the foam roller after steaming. This one is off the foam roller, and then I pulled on it just a little bit to loosen the curl, and I applied steam to it again, just to give it a little bit more of a beachy vibe. But you can see the different looks that you can create with steam and some foam rollers. So it's pretty simple. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a like and let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do that as well. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I put out a new video. Bye for now.